Maya panapon kayo. Magandang hapon po mga kabalen. Nandito po tayo muli sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Mga kapanapanabik na lalo na naman ang matutunghayan natin dito sa Delta Cup Inter-Cities Municipalities Basketball League. Handog sa inyo ni Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And of course, our game at hand for this afternoon, itong Villa de Bacolor. They want to stride from their big loss last time out against Porac, 83-71 a month ago, almost a month ago. Samantala naman ng San Simon, kagagaling lang sa napakalaking panalo against Arayal. Our game at hand, Villa de Bacolor against I Love San Simon. Third game of 5, our middle game for this 5-game affair dito sa Delta Cup. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po nililingkod, Ryan Paro. I'll cover games 3, 4, and 5 for this afternoon para sa inyong Delta Cup. Of course, powered po yan ng Sinag Liga Asia Sports Production. And of course, we will announce to you, like and share lang po sa ating mga social media platforms ng Delta Cup. Of course, facebook.com/PampanggaPIO. And you can also check us on YouTube, Pampanga PIO and Sinag Liga TV. Now, pag-usapan muna natin ang ating mga team standings kung saan asa na ba itong dalawang kupunan na ito, ang Bacolor at San Simon. Let's take a look at this. For San Simon, at this point, they are on the middle pack of the standings with a 4-3 record. Samantala naman, ang Villa de Bacolor ay nasa ibaba ng team standings with 1-5. Remember, we will explain to you very shortly ang ating tournament format. Kasi napaka-importanting laro ito sa Villa de Bacolor because only 8 teams of that bracket will advance to the next round. So we will explain that very shortly kung ating mga teams standing. But first, let's turn you over to our venue announcer, Ram Valley, para umpisahan ang Bacolor at San Simon.
Maya pagkat manapon kay kayungan, kabalen, sports fans, and live po tamo kay BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Welcome to Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, powered by the coverage partner Sinag Liga Asia. We're also live at Pampanga, PIO, the Public Information Office. Our third game for today, it's the battle between Villa de Bacolor and your I Love San Simon. And now let's meet the starting lineup for both teams. First, for your Villa de Bacolor. Starting at guard number 10, Jog Moral. Also at guard number 9, Andre De Leon. At forward number 7, Jennifer Giocno. Also at forward number 17, Cap Lapira. And center number 19, JP Pangilinan. Head coach for Villa de Bacolor is Jesus Pangilinan. Assistant coach Rexan Kudan. Your Villa de Bacolor. And now let's meet the starting lineup for your I Love San Simon. Point guard number 19, Andre Dungo. Shooting guard number 13, Stephen Angeles. Small forward number 7, John Santos. Power forward number 31, Parley Dimla. And center number 0, Gab Kunanan. Head coach for I Love San Simon is Danny Torres. Assistant coaches, Gian Mago, Edram Dimla, Rich Bravo, Lawrence Mago, and Patrick Yambao. Your I Love San Simon. Game official charge in action. Anthony Galatera, Dennis Escaros, and John Lizigues. This is your Delta Cup 2023 Inter-Municipalities.
Ibigin natin na ating mga starters for this ball game. Villa de Bacolor on guards, Andre De Leon, Chog Moral. Para naman sa forward, Gabriel Lapira, Jermel Duquino, and sa center si JP Pangilinan. Para naman sa ILAB San Simon at guards, Steven Angeles, Andre Dungo. Sa forward, Parley Dimla, John Santos, and Gabriel Cunanan. Ang ating mga referees, Dennis Escaros, Michael Galotera, at si John Lesigues. Umpisahan na natin ang game 3 of 5 Delta Cup. And we're underway. Ang Villa de Bacolor ay nakaputi at nakaasul naman ang San Simon. Nakaagaw ang San Simon. And the very first basket of the ball game coming from John Santos. Napaka-importante dito ang simula ang San Simon. Let's review from the last game. Ang San Simon, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, nanalo sila ng malaki against Anayat with a tune of 73-47, wherein the best player of the ball game is Steven Angeles with 9 points. Samantala, ang Bacolor ay natalo sila sa Porac last January 27, 71-83. So gusto makabawi dito ang Villa de Bacolor. Dungo on the left wing. They have 12 seconds on the shot clock. Medyo malamya ang pasa, buti nakuha ni Dungo. They have 7 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. From the baseline, the drop pass. Dimla, naipit sa ilalim, pero merong foul na tinawagan si referee John Lesigues. And that will be foul against. It will be Chuck Morales' first personal foul. Take a look at this in slow-mo. On that last basket by John Santos. Ngayon si Dimla ang titira ng 2 free throws. Parley Dimla. First free throw is no good para kay Parley Dimla. And of course, I'll cover not only this game but also the last 2 games. Napaka-importante yung ating last game, yung Apalit at ang Angeles, the battle of the top 2 teams right now sa Delta Cup. A minute gone by sa ating first quarter. From the rear, meron double team na nangyari. Bagyang nakalusot. Oh, nice touch passing. A basket there by Andre De Leon. 2-all sir tally. So nagpe-press dito, maaga pa lang ang Bacolor. But if they want to press, kailangan na mas marami silang mga taong masya-shuffle. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang 8 men. Dapat at least 10 or 12 to keep that press going. And that failure of a shot by John Santos gives Bacolor another chance to score. Nako! Ang medyo mahina ang alley-oop play. Pero titignan natin, babawi si Chog Moral, mintis sa 3-point territory. San Simon will slow down the tempo. Ang ating score na is 3-2. Medyo mababang ating score. Both teams are playing tough defense. There's a pick by Dimla. They have 12 seconds on the shot clock. Muntik ma-stepping doon si Steven Angeles. Nakuha niya pa rin ang bola going to the left. The drop pass inside the paint. Dimla will score! And a foul against number 7. Samantala tingnan natin ang slow-mo replay. Great drive and great cut. At tinawagan ng foul ay si Jeremel Duquino, his first personal. Bonus free throw is no good para kay Dimla. And the score now is 5-2 in favor of San Simon. Moral will bring up the letter for the white shirts. From the corner, right down the baseline. Eto na si De Leon, naipit. Ang pasa na Antala, natapik. And the ball will stay with Bacolor. They have 12 seconds on the shot clock. So medyo papalapit na tayo sa ating end of eliminations. We will announce when will be the playoffs. Probably this end of February or maybe the first week of March. De Leon from the corner, 3-point shot. It rimmed out. At ang rebound napunta kay Gabriel Cunanan. That's Gab Cunanan. And this time the big guy brings down the letter. That's Andre Dungo. Pointing the direction to the right side of the court. Dimla, they swing it around. Baseline drive. Naantala ang dribble ni Santos. 7 to shoot. Dungo, starter step. The kick out, 4 to shoot. Angeles needs to put it up. 1 second on the shot clock. He puts it up at 3 and could not deliver. Kind of fast break for Bacolor. Moral. Great tap from behind by Gabriel Cunanan, providing a steal. So, kailangan mag-ingat dito ang Bacolor. Mabilis bumaba sa defense ang Blue Shirts. But that time, Steven Angeles caught himself in too deep. And now the Leon has a leader. Whips a pass. Inside, nice touch passing by Bacolor, producing a basket by Chog Moral. That's 3 points already for Chog Moral. 5-4, 6:42 remaining in the first quarter. Up fake, the spin, nowhere to go. De Leon with a heist. Ito na si Joaquino. Can he go for the home run? Nice challenge by Dungo, but Joaquino nonetheless scored the basket. 6-5 na ang ating talaan. Seesaw battle early in the first quarter. That time, almost a backcourt violation. Nakalusot doon si Dimla. Drop pass inside. That's too strong. And a rebound controlled by the white shirts. Agawang buko doon sa ilalim, but the last touch by Gab Cunanan. So dito natin makikita na tatlong mga batang players pagka nakakuha ng rebound ng kalaban. As we take a look at this fast break finish by Joaquino. Eh talagang they are taking that basketball well enough. Ayaw nila yung masyadong maraming turnovers. Yun ang napapansin ko for both teams. Here's a 3-point shot from the corner. Bullseye! Connected by Chog Moral. And that's instant 6 points for Chog Moral early in the first quarter. And now we have a fast break opportunity. Joaquino with a drop. That's too much passing, but nonetheless, Moral scores again. And look at this, 8 of 11 points of probably of Bacolor are coming from Chog Moral. He had a good first quarter. So, siyempre, ang San Simon, hindi ka may papayag na puro kayo ni Moral ang bola. Kailangan na may higpitan natin ang depensa sa kanya. That's why Coach Johnny Torres will shuffle his men. Papasok si Patrick Ponsalan. Uupo muna si Gab Cunanan. Take a look at this. Touch passing. Unselfish basketball. This point by Bacolor. On that slow-mo replay. Oh, hindi kami magpapatalo. Great assist by Dungo to John Santos. 4 points for John Santos. 11-7 is our tally. 5 minutes remaining in the first. That's a halfway house already. 3-point shot is a dismal failure. Walang tinamaan doon si Moral. And the ball goes to San Simon. Slight fast break opportunity, but thwarted by Moral. It will stay in the backyard of San Simon. Of course, patrolling our crew here for SLA Sports Productions. Si Direk Mike Nanan, of course. Aking napakabait na floor director na si Direk Bidi. Always having in check all of the production things from pre to post. 16 to shoot right now para sa San Simon. Low post play did not materialize. Santos, ball strip away, pass his hands. Great swipe by Moral. And here comes De Leon. Will pop out from three-point country. Another dismal failure, another elbow, second in a row. Kanina si Moral kapos, ngayon si De Leon kapos din. So they need to practice some more outside sniping that hasn't fallen into play so far for Bacolor. San Simon now with a 4-point deficit. 4 minutes and 17 remaining. Naagawan ng tuluyan. Again, Bacolor playing top defense. The only question is, can they make their outside offense working? That's a big question mark. Joaquino, majority of the points are coming from the fast break. So kailangan nila mag-leverage sa labas. Here it comes. Wala. Ang tira ni Andre De Leon. Andre Dungo brings out the letter for the blue shirts of San Simon. Inside pass again to Dimla, but that time he almost called for the traveling. Pero sabi ni referee Dennis Escaros, meron tayong foul. That's going to be Jerafel Joaquino. That will be second personal foul. Team foul picture shows Bacolor already had 3. San Simon still has a clean slate. Here's Angeles. Baseline drive. Kick out. Dungo fires from downtown. It stands short and goes off to the shot clock. That's an automatic over the backboard violation. So both teams, medyo malamig ang outside shooting. Joaquino is wide open. Couldn't can it. And Santos clears the board para sa blue shirts ng San Simon. Again, salamat sa dalawa nating panelists kanina. Working very hard. Penelope Wilhelm and Enzo Galarosa. Happy birthday sa nanay Enzo Galarosa. He will have a party once he gets home here from Pampanga to his house. Samantala meron tayong foul. Given up by San Simon. And that will be the very first personal foul by John Santos. Take a look at this slow-mo replay. Ayun, may konting siko pero hindi nakita. Pero there is a holding foul after that. 18 on the shot clock for Bacolor. Nakuha nila ang bola. Ito na si Pangilinan on the outside. He uncorks from downtown. Still nothing from three-point territory, but there's going to be a foul in the process. Ang foul na matatawagan ay para kay Patrick Ponsalan. First personal. That's a second team foul for San Simon. 14 on the shot clock and almost 3 minutes remaining in this first. Alley-oop play, Pangilinan. Could not prevail. At ito na San Simon. Tumatakbo si Steven Angeles. Coast to coast, going all the way to Jose. He was wallop. At merong foul na tinawagan si referee John Lizigues. JP Pangilinan will be the culprit of that foul. At pang-apat na ng team foul ng Villa de Bacolor. 1 for Pangilinan, 2 Chudokino. And balasa pa rin si Coach Danny Torres para sa kanyang bataan sa San Simon. As Angeles misses the first of 2 free throws. Splits that time. First point for Steven Angeles. So, pasok si Clarence Manlutak. Checks in. Upo muna si Gabriel Lapira. So, ngayon, gumagamit na sila ng bench. Both coaches now giving opportunity to these youngsters to show their stuff. 2:40 remaining. First quarter. De Leon from 3-point territory. Ikot ang bola sa top of the key. 10 on the shot clock. Ito na si Chog Moral. Who's been hot in the first quarter. Ito na si Clarence Manlutak. Can't maneuver. 3 on the shot clock. It was taken away. Fast break opportunity. Dimla with a finish. 5 points for finally Dimla. And I think Bacolor will sue for time, but not without this slow-mo replay of this last bit of action. Take a look at this. Dimla zooming for the deuce. And Bacolor will have a ceasefire. Back to live action here at the BREN Convention Center. Oy, pa-shoutout lang sa mga employees na nanonood ng teleperformance, especially my friend Raymond Laksa. Yeah. Andre Yumo also watching. Back to live action. De Leon, tumira from 19. He delivered. And Andre De Leon already has 4 points. Punsalan quickly for San Simon. Higit ang ating laban, 2 minutes remaining. 13-10 ang ating talang Bacolor with a 3-point lead. At ito na ang big guy na naman ng San Simon. Here is Andre Dungo with a top one-hander. Ay, niluwa. Yes, a great one-on-one skills. But that time, that pass is too high. At hindi nasalo ni Chog Moral. But Chog Moral, nonetheless, he had a good first quarter. 8 first quarter points for him. Punsalan will challenge 2 defenders. The drop pass. That was a perfect execution of a fast break. And Dimla now has 7. So this is the battle of Chog Moral and finally Dimla. Great first quarter performance as far as points is concerned. 7 points already for Valley Dimla. De Leon tumira na 3-point shot. Ayaw. Para for the rebound, Angeles. Angeles brings up the ball. That time taken away. Heist by Manlutak. 4-on-2 situation. The lob inside. Ay, nabitawan ng bola. Andre De Leon kicks it out to Pangilinan, momentarily open. Goes wide, 10 to shoot, a minute remaining. Moral tumira na 3-point shot. Waddles in! That's the first outside connection for the White Shirts. And Moral continues to sizzle. Double figures already. 10 points for Chog Moral. 48 seconds, Punsalan was clobbered. Pass to Moral, hindi nakuha. Counter steal there by Andre Dungo. Time down to 40 seconds in the first quarter, 16-12. Dungo, sidestep, no beauty, but there's contact upstairs. It's going to be a foul on Marquis Manisi, his first personal. Napakabilis ang ating basic, mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin itong huling tira ni Moral. It's a 3-point shot. Bingo. So this is the battle of spurts. Kanina may 4-0 ang San Simon. And then suddenly, Bacolor responds promptly. And the big guy, Dungo, Andre Dungo will take 2 free throws. I wonder bakit number 19, siguro ang kanyang idol si Justin Batasan. Nagtatanong lang naman. Ako may parang konting gut feel sa kanya. But anyway, Dungo, he will try to adjust his free throw spot. And that time, takes care of business. And meron tayong substitution on the floor. Manny Rivera checks in. So small guy for big guy tayo. Upo muna si Dungo. Grab some rest. He will be back in the second quarter for sure. 29 seconds, half a minute remaining. 16-13, 3-point lead for Bacolod. De Leon with 13 on the shot clock. About 10 seconds differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Moral can't make his move. Maneuvers to his left. Drives. Drops it up. Manise. It will not deliver. Last shot time for San Simon. Nagmamadali sila. Sobrang pasa. Bad decision for Punsalan. Sinasabi na ni Coach Danny Torres, last shot tayo. Pero he threw up a haywire pass. And here's Pangilinan pushing the ball up. 5 seconds remaining before we end this quarter. Pangilinan is wide open. It did not work. Tippen. Basket. With that count, let's see. So basket will count on that last heave by De Leon. Take a look at this. You can see that to the game clock. He reached for the sky, tap it out offensively, .3. He releases in time. That is counted. Great shot by Andre De Leon at the buzzer. Yan po nagtatapos ang first quarter. Bacolor 18, San Simon 13. Again, mayapad panabon kay mga kabalen. Again, maraming salamat sa mga tumutok sa Facebook at gayon din sa YouTube channel ng Pampanga PIO. Thank you so much for those 400 plus fans watching. This is our third game of 5. Sa mga natatanong, ano mga resulta sa ating first game? Let me run down. On the first game, Floyd the Blanca wins by a skin of their teeth, 70-68. The second game, Minalin upsetting Santa Rita, 83-78. Yan po ang ating mga scores. Welcome to the second quarter. My name is Ryan Pajaro doing the call for Delta Cup 2024 of SLA Sports Production. Reverse layup. Uy, ba't yung shot clock? Walang ano? Ayun, nakalimutan. Anyway, let's check out the lineup for both squads. We have Pascual, we have Punsalan, and as we see this bucket by Moral on the other end, we have Rivera. We also have Dimla and Vergara completing the 5 for San Simon. And here's Vergara. Binalik kay Pascual. The swing it up from the corner. Punsalan fires. Can't make it. Para naman sa Bacolor, we have Andre De Leon who brings up the ball. Manlutak. Here's De Leon. Errant pass. De La Cruz. Si Moral at gayon din si JP Pangilinan completing the 5 para sa Bacolor. Now, let's discuss some points for this ball game. Anong napansin ko after 1 quarter to play? Bacolor had a good start, especially for Chog Moral who scored the first basket. Ang nagiging problema lang, marami silang mga missed shots outside as we see this basket by Pascual. And of course, ang pinaka-importante dito, wag silang mag-panic. Para naman sa San Simon, what they need to do is to impose the team rebounding dahil mas malaki sila. We have a foul in the process. At ang matatawagan ay si JP Vergara. First person to take a look at this fast break. Once more for San Simon. Instant delivery. It's gonna be 2 free throws right now para kay Manlutak. First free throw is no good. Medyo malakas ang kanyang bitaw. Second free throw para kay Manlutak. It is no good. Nagtapos tayo sa first quarter, 18-13. Oh, Moral! He's catching the fish. And that big fish results to another bucket. 15 first half points for Moral. Outstanding. Outstanding performance for Chog Moral. Samantala, meron tayong substitution. Shuffling na naman ang both squads. At Upo muna si Chog Moral, upo muna si JP Pangilinan. Joquino is now in the ball game para sa Bacolor. 10 on the shot clock for San Simon. Eto na si Dimla. They're swinging around to Salihan. His pass. A little wayward. Turnover. Babalik ang bola para sa Bacolor. Eto na ang Bacolor. They will bring up the letter. Jared Joquino now in the ball game. Second appearance for him. Eto na si Manlutak. Double team. Outside. Andre De Leon pops out. 3-point bomb explosion. At katulong niya si Moral. 15 points for Moral. 9 points for Andre De Leon. That's 24. Oh my. They are providing the offensive weapon para sa Bacolor. Villa de Bacolor. 1-2 punch. We have a timeout. Kanina sa slow-mo before the timeout, na-witness nyo ang 3-point bomb explosion ni Andre De Leon. He has already accounted for 9 points. And of course, Chog Moral already has 14. That's 23 of the 25 points for Bacolor. Siyempre, with this 10-point lead, may mga tendencies na nakikita natin sa Bacolor for the past when they have established an early lead. Pero pagdating sa crunch time, they succumb. Hopefully, it won't happen. Now, San Simon, from the timeout, what they need to do, they need to have balanced scoring and also opportunities to score inside. Look at this, hang time move. Hindi pumasok ang tira ni Salihan with that jackknife. At babalik ang bola para sa Bacolor. Joquino on the right wing. Joquino with 16 on the shot clock. Shake and bake move, crossover. Joquino from the corner. Medyo nagipit si Andre De Leon at meron tayong foul, probably. Yes, it will be foul against San Simon. Matatawagan ng foul ay si Manny Rivera. That will be his first personal foul. Upo muna si Manny Rivera. 14 on the shot clock for the white shirts of Bacolor. Joquino from top of the key. Almost taken away. Sumusundot si Pascual. Joquino. Binagay kay Andre De Leon. Quick release. Bangs it in! Oh! When he's hot, he's hot. Watch out that guy, Andre De Leon. Second birdie. 7 minutes remaining. The score is 28-15. Bacolor with a 13-point lead, and we have a traveling error by Andre Dungo, lifting his pivot foot. So si Coach Danny Torres, babalasa muna. Steven Angeles checks in for Dimla. Dimla has already accounted for 7 points. That's Marley Dimla. Upo muna siya. Playing heavy minutes in the first quarter. Manlutak. Look at this. Look at this sticky defense there by Jojo Pascual. Not giving an inch by Joquino. And that defense by Pascual cost him a foul. His first personal. Baka parang pandikit ng glue direct, no? 17 on the shot clock. Inbound now for the white shirts of Bacolor. Manlutak looking for a cutter. The lob. De Leon, can he catch it? Yes. Andre on the outside. Release. Almost perfect. Just went overboard. And the ball goes out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa white shirts ng Bacolor. They have 11 seconds on the shot clock. That's Villa de Bacolor. Okay, meron tayong substitution on the floor. Gabby Lipa back in the ball game. Upo muna si Marcus Benitez. 11 on the shot clock. Manlutak will inbound. Looking for a cutter. Here's the bounce pass from the corner. Ito, one-on-one defense. Walang masyadong rotation. Napakatindi ng depensa ng San Simon. 4 on the shot clock. Can they manufacture an attempt? Not this time around. It is a heist. Andre Dungo engineering the fast break. Halted, aborted, and there's a counter steal. And here's Andre De Leon. Draws a foul almost. But not quite, but he will take 2 shots anyway. It's a foul on Jolo Pascual, his second personal. Tingnan natin yung huling tira ni Andre De Leon. Look at that sneaky move inside. Andre De Leon. First free throw is in the cash. And Andre has collected 13 markers. 2 of them from three-point territory. That's how lethal this guy is. Actually, he is the top scorer para sa Bacolor. From all of their outings. Then they're looking for their second win in 7 outings. Off the rebound, of the miss. Bola, natapik. Babalik ang bola sa Bacolor. And well-deserved rest for Andre De Leon when he spent 14 minutes playing time on the floor. From the inbound, looking for cutters. Masyadong malalim ang pasa and De La Cruz can't make it. It's a turnover. Balik ang bola sa San Simon. Let's see if San Simon can make headway here. They are on a 13-point deficit. Nagpe-press na dito ang Villa de Bacolor. From the corner, here's a 3-point shot. No conversion. That's that short for Salihan. Bacolor will slow down the tempo. 5:50 remaining. Again, another sneaking move by Joquino. On the outside. Nice pass inside. That results in basket. De La Cruz with an assist from Joquino. And now this lead is slowly ballooning now to 15 points. That's the biggest lead of the ballgame for Bacolor, and they continue to press. That time, Salihan has it on a silver platter. 30-17. Medyo malayo-layo pa hahabulin ng San Simon. So itong Villa de Bacolor, gusto nila pagawin sa San Simon, pero nakaagaw dito. Jolo Pascual, defense to offense. Running an assist for Andre Dungo. With 5 minutes and 9, we have a timeout by Bacolor. Let's take a look at his last fast break finish. Dungo with a bucket. We'll be right back. Okay, some of our fans here sa BREN Convention Center, mga nagagandang kababaihan, of course. Itong ka-exit lang ng teams natin. At yung paparating, they're gonna play on our next game. And later on, the blockbuster game of Apalit and Angeles. Angeles is undefeated. Apalit on a 3-game winning streak. So, kaabang-abang yan sa ating main game this afternoon. Patuloy tayo sa ating Delta Cup. Ryan para muli. Live dito sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. 30-19. Here's Joquino. Hounded by Pascual. Pascual providing another defensive stop. And that results another foul. That time it's Joquino. Will be called for his third personal. At meron tayong substitution on the floor. Balik si Chog Moral, who had a sensational first half with 14 points. Halfway point na tayo sa ating second quarter. 4 minutes and 57. 9 to shoot. Ito na si Dungo. Andre Dungo. Crossover. Drives hard to the hole. Left-handed. Rattles in. And Andre now has collected 6 points. 30-21. Here's Moral. 15 to shoot. Moral fires from 3-point distance. Medyo malamig pa from the bench. And the ball will go back to San Simon. Napaka-importante sa San Simon na huwag silang masiraan ng loob. Although the lead earlier by 15. Now it's chopped down to just 9. They have a 6-0 run. Dungo. Gusto makatira na 3. Rattles in! Suddenly, Dungo, with a good second half, he's collected 6 of the 9 points in the second quarter. He has collected 9. 30-24. Lamang na lang ng 6 ang Bacolor. 4 minutes remaining exactly. Moral with a spin. Kunat maneuver. Great defensive stance there by Angeles. Another high, taken away. And here's Salihan. Rejected by Moral from behind. Hinabol. Great chase down there by Moral. That deserves a second look. Mamaya, titingnan natin yan. Angeles from the corner of the pass. Couldn't make it. Pangilinan clears the board now for the white shirts. Eto na, Bacolor, tumatakbo na naman. Chog Moral was pushed heavily by Pascual, and Pascual will be paid dearly for this dahil 3 personals na yata si Pascual. Yes, it was. Signaled by our statistician, former referee Boy Quisido. 3-point bomb explosion by Dungo off the glass. How about that for a center? Penalty situation now, San Simon, and Moral will take this opportunity to score. And he will be the leading scorer now with 15 points. Moral has been on his A game this afternoon. Split on the charities. Dungo clears the board. Look at this guy. Dungo is a very versatile player. He can dribble, he can rebound, he can block shots. Salihan with a hang time mode, too strong. Angeles tips it in. 4 points now for Steven Angeles. 31-26. 3:19, second quarter. Crossover by Moral. The spin, the turn, and the ball stick. The ring and the iron, and that will be an automatic jump ball. The possession arrow is pointed to the other way. That will be for San Simon. Namimiss kong kumain direct ng wedges. Dahil yung bola, tumama sa ring at iron at the same time. Stuck. 3:10 remaining, second quarter. Dungo with a drive. Drop it off. No, for Punsalan. Fast break, it works now for the white shirts of Bacolor. Ito na, the spin, cycle, yes! John Soto with his first bucket in a spectacular fashion. 33-26. Less than 3 minutes remaining in the second quarter. That's a costly turnover by Angeles. A very high pass. Natupo muna si Punsalan. Nakatayo na ngayon si Coach Danny Torres because that's 2 straight turnovers in the front court. Andre De Leon back in harness after having a 5-minute rest. De Leon slowly waxing hot in the second quarter. Can he continue to do the outside sniping for the cause of Bacolor? Oy, libre siya. Pangilinan won't be denied. First bucket there for JB Pangilinan. 35-26. Again, great defensive stance for Andre De Leon. Caused another error for San Simon. Keep in mind that Bacolor has yet to register a foul in this quarter. That's amazing. But that time, Pangilinan was clobbered by Dungo. Dungo takes it, matters into his own hands. Reverse layup, it won't work on his left side. Salihan for 3, can't make it. Defensive rebound, still in vain. Dungo, fourth opportunity, hold it. That will be the very first foul for Bacolor in this quarter. Courtesy of Gabriel Lapira. That long buzzer, I believe there will be a timeout will be called. Tingnan natin kung sino matatawag tayo. But first, enjoy this spin cycle by John Soto. And likewise, this open basket by Pangilinan. And we have a ceasefire. Back to live action here sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. San Simon will not give Bacolor silver platter. They just within 9 and talagang lumalaban ang San Simon. So anything can happen. Remember, San Simon having a 4-win, 3-loss record. They are in the middle of team standings. Samantalang Bacolor will only have a 1-win, 5-loss record. They want to establish this big W on the hands of the middle ground San Simon team. Angeles, lateral assault to the basket, didn't pay off. And we are under 2 minutes remaining in this second quarter. Soto! Too strong on his layup. Look at Moral. Chog Moral up in the air and drawing the foul and 1. Take a look at this in slow-mo. off the rebound. And that's the first personal foul on Farley Dimla as Chong Moral already has 17 first half points. You could correct me if I'm wrong, pero napakatindi ng opensa ni Moral, only to just miss his free throw on the bonus side. Ngayon, babalik ang bola para sa San Simon. Here's Dungo. Ball taken away by Chong Moral. One-on-one. Moral can beat. Not quite. Great challenge by Dungo, but there is a player down on the floor. And the foul will be given against the white shirts. That will be Chong Moral. That will be, I believe that will be second foul. We'll check that. There's full foul doon on that rebound play. So makikita nyo mga kaibigan, San Simon na hindi nagpapatalo, talagang they play their A game as much as possible. Yun nga lang, marami lang silang turnovers. But Dungo is a no-quit player. He throws up a layup, but it was deflected. And it's going to be a 2 free throw opportunity, a foul against Gap Lapira, his second personal. At dalawang free throws mabibigyan para kay Dungo. He's a workhorse. He already has 10 points and some lion's share rebounds. It reminds me of Justin Baltasar, who's always a double-double player and a former Gilas Standon as well. At si Dungo nakapasok ng kanyang free throw, 11 for Andre Dungo. Double figures already in the first half. 37-28 ang ating tala. Lamang pa rin ng siyam na puntos ang Bacolor laban sa San Simon. Time down to 49 ticks. Second quarter. Baseline drive by Soto. Nowhere to go. Oh, look at that. Smartness by JP Pangilinan. He threw up a prayer. And the referees whistled the foul from someone. And that will be against Ramil Gatbonton, his first personal. And JP Pangilinan connects on his first free throw. 3 points ngayon si JP Pangilinan. He has 4. 44 ticks. Meron tayong substitution on the floor. Upo muna si Soto. At papasok for the first time in this ballgame is Steven Cunan. 39-28. Bacolor. The press is on. San Simon breaks the press. Pass against Dungo. Taken away. And here's Chong Moral. The spin cycle. Almost a conversion. Could have bought the half stun if he made that one. Dungo's pass deflected. And Dungo runs out of space, off balance. Very quick first half. Both teams defensive oriented. That's why napakababa ng ating scoring. Final 16 seconds. Last shot time for Bacolor before both teams go for the locker room at halftime. Ito na si Moral, Chong Moral. The leading scorer for this club. 5 seconds, 4, 3 seconds. From the corner, De Leon. It's going to be stepping on the line out of bounds. So the San Simon will lead 2.8 seconds to attempt a haywire. Let's see. The lob. A steal. 1 second to go. Moral lets it fly. No. That ends our first half. It has been Bacolor limiting their opponents for just 28 points. But let's have this first half highlights for you, or second quarter highlights. Layup scored by Moral. 3-point bomb exploded by Andre De Leon. Inside foray there by Soto. Fast break finish by Andre Dungo. And last but not least, that Dungo bank shot 3. That's some of the shot blocks. Some of the highlights. We'll have more highlights for you. Pero ang ating score 39-28. Halftime tayo. We'll be back for more Delta Cup. halftime score po natin, 39-28. Villa de Bacolor up by 11 points. Let's take a look at some of our halftime highlights. 3-point shot po sa corner para kay Chog Moral. Fast break, Timbla, plays it in. And we also have De Leon, Andre De Leon scoring the bucket. Ito si Andre De Leon ulit for his 3-point lead. Inside play, pumasok. And on the other side, Dungo's fast break finish. That's some of our highlights sa ating first half. Let's take a look at the leading scores for Bacolor. Chog Moral with 17, De Leon with 12, Pangilinan with 4, San Simon Dungo with 9, Dimla with 7, and Santos with 4. Let's start the third quarter right now. And the lineup, we have Moral, De Leon, of course. Meron tayong, siya nga pala. Ito, maganda rito para sa atin dito sa Sinag Liga Asia Sports Production. We're gonna have what we call the Junior World Showcase Invitational. Iniimbitahan namin kayo dito rin po sa BREN Convention Center. July 18 to 21 of this year. Just a few days away bago yung Paris Olympics. Yan nahatid sa inyo ni Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. That's available for the 15 under, 17 under, and 19 under, and also international teams. And around 18 teams ang mga sasali dito sa torneo nito. Now, on March 2024, by the way, the Sinag Liga Asia 19 under and 23 under will be unfurled next month. At para naman sa Visayas, the Sinag Liga Asia 17 under, 19 under will be unfurled on April 2024 under the Deputy Commissioner Paul Joven. Para yan sa Visayas region. Sa Mindanao region naman, magsisimula rin yan sa April 2024, 19 under and 23 under, headed by Boss June Linogon. And of course, meron din tayong second season ng Lakas 40 at Kalibre 45, also April 2024. Alright, we have some halt in play right now. So habang nagkaroon lang tayo lala, at least na-explain ko sa inyo yung mga upcoming leagues natin. Talagang busy ating season. Yan, ina-adjust na po ang ating game clock. The game clock now stands at 9 minutes and 45 seconds. Ang ating official count, 42-28. Lamang po ng 14 ang Bacolor, Pampanga. And of course, yung Bacolor, pagka punta nyo lang sa west side, yan na yan. Makikita nyo na ang Bacolor after San Fernando. Samantalang ang San Simon, yun yung after ng Apalit. Yun yung expressway. Free throws made right now. And we're back to live action. 42-29, almost a backward violation. Ito, nakaagaw dito San Simon. And here's Dungo. Nice stutter step. Change of pace. And Dungo scored a basket. And Dungo now has 13 points. May foul na tinawagan. Let's see who's going to be the culprit. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Ito yung, kita mo naman, no? Left dribble, He's orthodox. Kanan po yan, pero ang galing niyang magbasa ng depensa. He quickly dribbles to his left and score. Ito yung leading scorer na sinasabi ko kanina, Chog Moral. Missed that first free throw. He already accounted to 15 points. Still, same number. But the White Shirts gets the offensive rebound. Ito na si Chog Moral. Shake and bake, drive, kick out, 3 ball para sa White Shirts. Bingo! Steven Cunan deliver. Yan, siguro proud parents yan ni Steven Cunan kung di ako nagkakamali. On the other side, 3-point. Oy, sumagot sa tres. Si Steven Angeles. And he now has 7 points. 45-34. The Blue Shirts now pressing. Almost a dribbling violation. And Dungo steals it. At meron tayong foul na matatawagan laban kay Steven Cunan, his first personal. Check a look at this in slow-mo. Ooh. Matinding 3-point shot yan. Naipasok. And on the other side, sagutan lang. Ito, Angeles. 3. Pasok yan. 8.5 minutes. Bounce pass by Dungo. Pangilinan was rejected upstairs. 10 to shoot now. 3-point bomb. Exploded again for Angeles. Back-to-back baskets for Angeles. He's now heating up. The lead is just 8. Time for the ball. De Leon saves it. And Punsalan touch it last. It will go back to Bacolor. Shot clock should have been about 19 seconds. Look at that rejection by Pangilinan, but not Angeles says, take that from 3-point territory. 8:11 remaining in the third. 45-37. Almost a 5-second violation there. Pangilinan now sizing up against Punsalan. Banging bodies. Tira niya. Wala. A little bit strong. Lapira. Hand off. Touch last by Dibla. It will stay with the backyard of Bacolor, and they have 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Shot clock, 14 seconds.
Under 8 minutes remaining in the third. Ito na si Punsalan on the outside. 10 to shoot. Punsalan drives. One-handed hook shot. Wala. Para for the rebound. Nakuha na San Simon. Ito na si Dungo brings up the letter against 3 defenders from the backcourt. And that's a lousy pass. Turnover. So it seems like Bacolor always making heads above water on some aspiration comeback of San Simon. Hindi nila pinagbibigyan ng San Simon na makabalik o makadikit. Here's Moral, Chog Moral, the leading scorer for the White Shirts. Chog, 7 to shoot. The fadeaway. It rattles in. 17 markers now for Moral. Dibla. He will not waste any movement. They want the methodical offense. Nakabalik agad sa defense ng White Shirts. Ito na si Rivera, momentarily open from 3. Dribbles to his left. Sneak in, the pass. A little bit tentative. Intercepted by the White Shirts. De Leon, the lob to Joquino. Hindi niya nakuha. So we're seeing a helter-skelter third quarter basketball. One turnover after the other. 7 minutes left. 47-37, 10-point lead. Angeles na naman! No. He's wide open from 3-point territory. 10 to shoot now. Angeles, di na kuha pasa, but now has it. 6 to shoot. Dungo from top of the key. Drives, kick out. Rivera, open 3. Bingo! Three points for Rivera. 47-40. This is just a 7-point lead. Pangilinan. Momentarily open. He uncorks from downtown. Delivers! 7 points for JP Pangilinan. Now the scoring has picked up in this third period. Dungo brings up the letter, dribbles to his left. Batted away. Almost taken away, but there's going to be a foul. Tingnan natin kung sino yung foul. Baka si Lapira. It is Lapira. And Lapira already his 4th personal foul. Take a look at this. Pangilinan. Libre ako, itira ko ito. Pasok yan. Now, Lapira has 4 fouls, so he needs to be careful para sa Bacolor. And that's why Coach Jex Pangilinan dispatched Manise to allow some resting for Lapira. 14 to shoot. Ito na. Dungo. 12 to shoot. Pick provided by Dimla. Back dribbles. Dungo escapes. Not quite. Ball batted away. Fight on the shot clock. Naagawan. Ito na. Chok Moral. 2-on-1 fast break. Behind the back pass to Joquino. Brilliant fast break finish there for Bacolor. The lead is back to 12. At nagpe-press dito ang Bacolor, but that time there's going to be a foul. De Leon. Or Moral. A little mustard off the hot dog on that pass. And Joquino was the recipient of that fast break finish para sa Bacolor. The lead is 12, 52-40. Almost halfway house of the third quarter. 5 minutes and 35. Baseline drive. Ito na si Angeles. Bounce pass. Swinging around. Hang time move. Did not deliver. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha pa rin. Angeles delivers. Great third quarter for Angeles. 8 of his 12 points. Scoring at will. 52-42. Joquino. Thought about it. Eto na, 3-point shot. Chog Moral. Malakas. Rebound Dimla. Dungo brings it down top for the blue shirts. Dungo starter step. Dungo can escape everything. He is fearless. On the other end of the floor, Joquino, sidestep move, didn't pay off. This is just an 8-point ball game. Dungo can dribble left, can dribble right. He's a very ambidextrous guy. And Punsalan misfires from 17. It went out. Joquino momentarily open. Passing out to De Leon for the easy finish. 15 points now for Andre De Leon. The lead is 10, 54-44, 4.5 minutes remaining. Dungo titira ng tres, no? Ito ang mainit. Angeles will not shoot a 3. Drops it up. Easy bucket. No! He blew it. Angeles, 3-point bomb. Bitin. Chok Moral on the counter fast break. He will challenge Rivera. Here it comes. There's a foul. Whew. What a fast-paced ball game we're seeing it right now, huh? Second personal by Manny Rivera. Talaga mahuhulog ka sa upuan sa bilis, sa tikas at skill ng mga batang ito. And Chog Moral now, he's closing, inching closer to a 20-point output. But his free throw shooting is his Waterloo. He already missed 4 free throw attempts. To my count, huh? Having made that, he could easily bear the 20-point barrier, but still, Bacolor up by 12, 54-42, approaching the 4-minute mark sa ating third quarter. Ay, lumabas sa tira. Oy! Pangininan can't make it. Of the defensive stick back, nakinayin siya doon. The lap pass to Pascual! Touchdown! 54-44 quickly. Pangilinan from the corner, 3-point shot. Couldn't have the instant reply, and now San Simon on the verge of having the momentum on the side once again. Ito na si Dimla, momentarily open. From the corner, 3-point shot. Rivera instead drives. The hang time move. Yes, sir! Manny Rivera with a jackknife. 5 points for Manny Rivera. The lead is just 6. Suddenly, in a wink of an eye. But the referees halted the play, and it's going to be a foul on Manny Rivera. If that's Rivera, that will be his third personal. Take a look at this. First, the touchdown by Pascual. And this, Rivera jackknife. So we have a warning for San Simon, probably, for the proper bench decorum at the 3:24 mark of the third quarter. So, kailangan mag-ingat dito San Simon. Medyo emotionally impressed yung mga ibang players. So, kailangan nila umupo. Only the coach are allowed to stand. Others, if you stand too much, you might be called for that infraction. Samantala, De Leon, 3-ball. Yes! Surprise hit for Andre De Leon. 18 points already. 57-48. Kunti na naman lumalayo ang Bacolor. Talagang laging merong panagot ang Bacolor, but not Dungo. He will not give up just like that. Instant basket. He has 17 points. 57-50 now. 7-point lead for Bacolor. Ito na si De Leon from double the key. Ito na si Moral on the right side of the court. 2 minutes and 53 remaining. Moral will fire a 3-point shot. Trifecta, no good. Joquino with offensive rebound. Turns around, nowhere to go. Almost traveled. Ito na si Dungo on the right side. Sidestep. Goes for layup. It's good. Too much complaining on the part of San Simon. Didn't pay off that time. Didn't caught the attention of the referees on that. But Dungo says, let me take care of business. Business to them. Oh! One player is down on the floor so hard. You can see the bones crunching on that mahogany. That deserves a second look, and I am very concerned with this player. Let's see that again. Dungo with a drive. And from that offensive rebound, hit the back first. Oh my. It hit the back. Ow. Aray. Now, our PDRRMO, Pampanga District Risk Reduction Management Office, now checking this player if he can still breathe. He's now up hopping and puffing, but I think he's okay. But of course, that's Dimla, Filey Dimla. He also be called for that pushing foul with his second personal. Kumbaga, direct eh, that's what you call double block. Ay, na-injure ka na nga, foul pa. Pero anyway, I commend this guy because he, after that fall, slowly bringing up, I can see him taking 5 deep breaths. Talagang yun yung kailangan sa player. Pag talagang bumagsak ka ng mabigat, kailangan mag-breath heavily ka para yung hangin, yung circulation mo sa buong katawan mo ay manumbalik. And that's exactly what Dimla's doing. And he will just giving some proper rest. Hopefully, he will come back to this ball game. That's a sign of a warrior. That's a sign of a fighter for this guy. All right, there are some miscommunications. It should be a foul on Dimla, but I believe well, we'll check that. In the meantime, Punsalan will take 2 free throws, and they are just down by 9 points. The closest they got is 8. Rib out yung unang tira ni Punsalan. Hasn't scored yet in this ball game. Penalty na po ang Bacolor. San Simon has 3 team fouls. One more free throw will be awarded for Punsalan. So, okay, sabi ng ating referee, the foul is not on Dimla, it's on Manlutak. That will be his first personal foul. So, check that. Punsalan missed both. And the rebound controlled by Manise. 9-point edge for Bacolor, 59-50. 2 minutes and 19 remaining, third quarter. Inside pass, another turnover. Kapag nagmamadali ka talaga, minsan nagkakaroon ka ng ganyang mga instansya. So, well, these youngsters will mature. Fair enough, in a couple of years, they will learn to take care of that basketball well enough. Now, Dungo has other plans. The spin cycle and almost a delivery. He draws a foul, but he will take 2 shots. But wow. And Dungo will take 2 free throws. Second personal on Clarence Manlutak. And I believe Andre Dungo already has a double-double performance. 18 points for Andre Dungo. Almost single-handedly lead this team for a comeback. And he's a better free throw shooter. 19 points, Andre Dungo. Matching his jersey. The lead is down to 7, 59-52. Under 2 minutes remaining. And De Leon turns the ball over. Great defensive stance by the blue shirts of San Simon, preventing that potential possession for Bacolor. Change the possession. San Simon ang may tangan na bola. They have 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound. Salihan. Dungo wants to clear out. 10 seconds to shoot. Dungo makes his move. Goes left. Dribbles to his right. Between the legs. Salihan momentarily open. 3-point bomb. In and out. Rebound controlled by Manlutak. A minute and 39 remaining in this third quarter. Instant foul given up by Joel Pascual. And if that's Pascual, that will be his 4th personal foul. 4th personal foul on Joel Pascual. One more, he will be in the showers. And so far, mula nung first game until third game, nakatutok ang ating Commissioner Leo Isaac to supervise the proceedings of this league. De Leon just crosses the 8-second line. De Leon brings it up against Dungo, much bigger defender on him. There's an illegal pick. It's going to be an offensive foul against Marquis Manise. That will be second personal. All right, both teams now in penalty. So tingnan natin ang San Simon kung makaka-inch closer. Again, the closest they got is 8. They haven't chopped down the lead to 7 or less. Tingnan natin. Dungo makes his move once more. Pascual momentarily open. Dribbles to his left. Apat ang sumalubong. Baseline drive. Angeles. Sidestep. One-handed. Throws it up a prayer. No answer. Pascual. Dungo momentarily open. Dribbles to his right. Sidestep. Goes for the bank. It goes. 21 points to Andre Dungo. Dungo, 7-point lead. A minute remaining in this third chapter. Choc Moral, after a 15-point first quarter, he only managed 4 in this quarter. And another turnover for Bacolor. San Simon knocking on the door. This is just a 5-point game. Dungo wants to take matters into his own hand. Step back 3. That's long. And here's Bacolor with the possession. Steal by Dungo from the backcourt. Ito na si Angeles. Good bounce pass back to Angeles. And just like that, the lead, which once stood at 30 points, now down to 3, 59-56. As we have this ceasefire by Bacolor. Wow. Comeback by San Simon in full display. And let's see this. This last bit of action tells everything. Return pass for the Angeles valiant effort. We have a timeout. And of course, we could don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa ating Delta Cup at Pampanga PIO. At gayon din sa ating YouTube channel, Pampanga PIO and Sinagliga TV. Of course, batiin ko lang yung one of the jazz singers nanonood din ngayon. Lynn Sherman, hello. Thank you for watching Delta Cup. All right, half a minute remaining. This is just a 3-point game, 59-56. Joquino brings up the basketball. Double team on the outside. He will try to manufacture a basket inside the Manlutak. Tight rope. Clobbered. Chance now for San Simon to either tie. Salian stumbles upon. Manlutak takes care of business for that heist. Counter steal, the drop, and the basket by the Leon. And that ends the third quarter. Just when you thought that San Simon can inch closer, laging may panagot ang Bacolor. Third quarter highlights on that last bit of action. Manlutak with a steal and Andre De Leon with a finish. With no more time on the clock. As this third quarter ends 61-56 Bacolor. One more quarter to play, and we have Villa de Bacolor, Chog Moral, 21 points already. Majority of the points coming from the second half, but what's important for Chog Moral, he's been the stabilizer of this Bacolor team. Offensive rebounds, fast break, and some three-point shots, starter step. Chog Moral has it. But will it be enough? Because San Simon nakakamuhi tayo ng comeback here as we start this payoff period. Bacolor versus San Simon. Ryan Paro po coming to you live for the BREN Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Game 3 of 5 ng ating Delta Cup elimination round. Let's review the five on the floor. For San Simon, we have Dungo, we have Dimla, Pascual, and also we have Manny Rivera and Angeles. Para naman sa Bacolor, we have Chog Moral, Joquino, Manlutak, we have Pangilinan, and we also have De Leon. Let's see what will be the San Simon's turn here. As Moral, with 9 to shoot, screen by Dimla, goes right. Moral thought about it. Back pass, Moral fakes, puts it up, foul. So malamang si Manlutak ang matatawagan ng foul. Third personal foul para kay Clarence Manlutak. As we have Dungo. So kung merong Moral, merong Dungo. Hard-working player. And I believe he has 22 points and a lion's share rebounds. Dungo makes both. He's a very effective shooter. Parang sila ni Justin Baltasar, no? Parang magaling sa free throw na malaking mapa. Ito na ang Bacolor. Nagpe-press dito San Simon. Nakakuha sila ng agaw. Dungo brings it downtown. Dungo dribbles to his left again. That's his weapon. Outside, sniping by Angeles. That's long. Rebound controlled by the blue shirts. Dungo with 9 on the shot clock. Picked by Dimla. Goes right. Dungo. 5 to shoot. Drives. The drop. Intercepted. Chog Moral. Pascual chases him. And look at Pascual. Almost going over the railings. And look at the crowd here at the BREN Convention Center applauding Pascual's effort. 18 seconds na naman sa shot clock. Ito na si JP Pangilinan. 15 to shoot. Pangilinan, pick provided. Here's Joquino. Nakalusot. Hindi pumasok ang tira. Rebound by Angeles. Binatong bola. Nakuha ni Pascual. Pascual lumabas muna. Double team. Angeles on the right side. He fires a three. No! JB Pangilinan clears the board for the White Shirts. Ito na si Andre De Leon. Chog Moral. 15 to shoot. Goes right. Double pick. Chog Moral almost lost it. Pick it up. De Leon with 9 to shoot. The lob. That's too high. Turnover. And we have a substitution on the floor. Upo muna si Joquino. At papasok si Noel de la Cruz. Yesterday, 4 of the 5 games are decided 6 points or less. So far, the first 2 games has been close, and this game is no exception. Dungo makes his move on the left side again. Fires a 3-point shot. Air ball. Approaching 2 minutes now. Spread out offense by Bacolor. Tao-tao ngayon ang San Simon. De Leon from top of the key. Picked by JP Pangilinan. De Leon cans the triple. Another potent score. I believe he has 23. Kung daw nagkakamali. 64. Bacolor. San Simon 58. Time remaining 7:25. Touch passing. Baseline drive. The drop. Dungo reverse. Partially deflected. He gets it right back. No good. Rebound. Still the blue shirts has it. 10 to shoot. Almost lost. Angeles. Side step. Drives. Hang time move. Didn't pay off. De Leon with a lob. Chog Moral for a touchdown. Look at this. Bacolor always have an answer for every uprising by San Simon. This De Leon Moral connection has been nothing short of amazing. Timeout. to 58. Mga kasinag, welcome po. Magkakaroon po tayo in a few months ang Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines. We are now accepting teams. For interesting parties, just send a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com. Repeat, sinagasiasports@gmail.com, or send us a message to our Facebook page, facebook.com/sinagligaasya. Join na po kayo sa ating World Showcase in a few months. 3 minutes gone by in this fourth and final quarter, 6 minutes and 54. So far, Bacolor keeping heads above water against San Simon, and Dungo really a very intense player. Samantala, meron tayong foul para kay JP Pangilinan. That will be second personal foul. And the second team foul for Bacolor. 19 on the shot clock for San Simon. Dungo. He has that ball almost always. Dungo wants to create situation. 9 to shoot. Rivera, 7 on the shot clock. Double team from the front court. Hang time by Rivera, too strong. And Chog Moral has it. Pass break. No look pass. Tapped by Pascual. 6 minutes and 26 seconds. The game is not yet settled. San Simon always knocking on the door. But Villa de Bacolor always have an A game. Always have an answer for every San Simon uprising. Picked by Pangilinan. A slight opening. De Leon misses from 3-point distance. Front back irons it. 8 to shoot. Chog Moral picked by Pangilinan. 5 on the shot clock. Long 2. It's air ball. Or rather, tad short. Dungo brings it up para sa Blue Shirts. He eluded De Leon. He eluded another player. There's going to be a foul. Probably by Noel de la Cruz. That will be his first personal. Oh, second personal foul. Check that. Now, importante dito yung team fouls, ha? Bacolor now has what? 2 team fouls. And Punsalan will... Oh, check that. That's 3 team fouls for Bacolor. Rivera uupo muna. At babalik si Patrick Punsalan. He will do the inbound for the blue shirts. Eto na. Dungo once again. Picked by Dimla. He will melt down the clock. 10 seconds. Dimla on the outside. Here's Angeles. Was gun cold in the second half. Let's see if he can catch fire. 3 to shoot. From the corner. 3-point bomb. No explosion. And Bacolor has the letter. They have an 8-point lead. And Chok Muna says, daan-daan muna tayo. Let's settle down for half-court offense. 5.5 minutes remaining. Mamaya po after this ball game, I'll interview personally our best player of the ball game. Moral spins, turns, converts! Top shot by Moral. Top shot. And Moral gives up the foul on the other end of the floor. You know, that shot, explicably says, that shot is a Kobe Bryant shot. How about that? He has already a statue at the Crypto.com arena yesterday. Ba? Talagang kumukobi itong si Moral, ha? Mintes. Put back. Wala kay Punsalan. 3 defensive men of Bacolor ganging up on that. 68 to 58. We're now on the halfway point of the final quarter. De Leon. It's going to be a foul on Angeles. That only his first personal. So he's been a tough defender for San Simon. Itong si Angeles, he only gives up his first foul. Brilliant defensive mind. Oh, somebody's down on the floor. Nadulas dun si Angeles, 9 on the shot clock. Moral once again will try to execute. Step back 3. No. Rebound Dungo. He's now double figures in rebound. He's now double-double. And another foul given up by Noel de la Cruz. That will be his, what, third personal? Yes, third personal. Fourth penalty na. Ito ang pagkakataon ng San Simon na makabalik. This will be a big advantage for San Simon, especially Dungo. Ayoko mag-broadcast, Jigs, pero meron na siyang 4 of 4 from the free throws. Andre Dungo. First miss. 4 of 5. Double-double na po si Andre Dungo in points and rebounds, that's for sure. 4 of 6. What a time to miss. 10-point lead. Nice catch. Pangilinan, touchdown. Suddenly the lead, which once stood at 3, now back to a dozen. 70 to 58. What happened to San Simon? Suddenly they're on a scoring drought. Angeles forces his way and turns the ball over. Well, San Simon has been silent for 2 minutes on scoring, and they allow 6 unanswered for Bacolor. Ito na si Andre De Leon, siya nagtitimon. Here's Chog Moral. All of the players are tired. They're playing heavy minutes in this very, very important battle. Moral nakalusot. Tap away by Dungo. It's a steal on Dungo. Fast break opportunity for San Simon. They're down by 12 points. They need a 3-point lead. Here comes Angeles. Back irons it. And good boxing tactics there by Manlutak. The lob pass. De Leon from the corner will not shoot. Will chew up some clock. They're leading by 12. Here's Chog Moral, one of the prime candidates for the best player honors. I might interview him should Bacolor wins. 5 on the shot clock. Down to 4, down to 3. Moral with a step back 3. Bangs it out. And ito na si Pascual. Pascual on a fast break. Pascual lays it up. Lumabas. Dimla saves it. Angeles now to Dungo. 10 to shoot. 3 minutes to go. Dungo drives. And a turnover. Yes, another turnover. And slowly the breaks are coming Bacolor's way. This is the battle of spurts. Most spurts being brought up by Bacolor. Samantala, meron tayong offensive foul. It will be against Andre De Leon. That will be only his first personal. Take a look at this. In a short while, we'll feature a highlight here. So offensive foul boss si Andre De Leon. That's only his first foul. San Simon only has one team foul. Ito na si Dungo nakalusot. Instant basket. So his scoring is almost on the ceiling now. He has 25. 70-60, 10-point game. Time is slowly running out for San Simon. 2.5 minutes. They need a stop here. Moral, pick provided. And there's going to be a foul against Angeles. Second personal on Steven Angeles. Only the second team foul for San Simon. Malayo pa sila sa penalty situation. Take a look at this. Last bit of action in slow-mo. Layup by Dungo. But the question is, would that be enough? They are on a 10-point deficit. 2:24. Here's the inbound. The bounce pass. Manlutak nakalusot. First basket for Manlutak, but more importantly, is this the sign of surrender for San Simon? They are feeling dejected, but Dungo says, let me take care of business. Another three-point play opportunity. He has 27. Manlutak will be called for a sport personal foul. Take a look at this on this last bit of action. No quitting, Andre Dungo. He really worked so hard. But his team is down by 10 points. Now 9. He's 5 of 7 from the free throw line. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Twilight Zone. This is the last 2 minutes of our third game. As announced by our venue announcer, Ram Valid, last 2 minutes na po tayo, 72-63. Bacolor, all they need is to chew up the clock, but they turn the ball over. Here's the fast break. Pascual will challenge Manlutak. It's good! And Manlutak is fouled out of the game. Pascual scored a basket. And take a look at this fast break. Pascual scores and Manlutak fouls out of the game with 5 personal fouls. And we have a timeout by Bacolor. And of course, kanina in-announce natin yung mga World Junior Championships para sa Sinag Liga Asia. Kanina rin in-announce natin yung mga 17 and 19 under. And of course, bukas, later after this game, we will announce our 5 games tomorrow for Delta Cup. Yours truly, Ryan Paro, will only cover the first game. And then the next 4 games will be covered by Penelope Wilhelmina and Enzo Galarosa. Uy, happy birthday sa nanay ni Enzo Galarosa. Birthday niya ngayon, kaya nagpalit kami ng schedule. And of course, sa aking nanay din, last Monday, she celebrated her 74th birthday. Talagang pareho kami direct, pareho kami mama's boy. All right, let's take a look at this. Andre Dungo. Yes, I'm right on my stats. 27 big points and more than 10 rebounds. He is a workhorse. You know, his ability to dribble, pivot, rebound, block shot, steals reminds me of Justin Baltasar. 27 points, Andre Dungo. Ngayon, sana hindi magkulang San Simon. Naubusan na sila ng oras. They are in a 7-point deficit with 1 minute and 42. Bonus free throw, Pascual. Yes, 6-point game. 2 possessions. Full court press in full display. Pangininan from the backcourt. Ginugulo ni Dungo. Chok Moral. Crosses the 8-second line. Moral hang time move. Oh! That's dangerous. He had no flight on that shot. At unang tumama yung tuhod pagbagsak. Oh. Let's see that again. That's almost a dangerous fall there by Moral. Let's see this. Here is the flight. Moral off his knees. Oh. Well, San Simon thought that there should be a charging foul, but the referee saw it otherwise. As Moral has 26. 27. So both Dungo and Moral has 27 points. Whoever wins this ball game will be judged as the best player. A minute and 25, 74-66 for Bacolor. Turnover by Angeles. Touch on his foot before going out of bounds. So magpe-press muli dito ang San Simon. Naubusan na sila ng oras, 8 puntos sa kanilang hinahabol. Salihan tap it out of bounds, leaving them 21 seconds on the shot clock. They need to cross the 8-second line by 5 seconds or less. Otherwise, matatawagan sila ng 8-second backcourt violation. Moral, still in the backcourt. Crosses the 8-second line. Just in time. Inside play. No. Dungo stepped his foot out of bounds. And that leaves them, what, 9 seconds on the shot clock? Yes, hindi naman tumama sa ring yung huling tira. So, bola muli yan ng Bacolor as De La Cruz. Noel De La Cruz will inbound from the baseline. Bounce pass, Andre. Turnover. Meron pa. Di pa tapos ang laban. So, hindi papatumpik-tumpik ang San Simon. They were gonna call a timeout so that they can advance into the front court. We gonna continue on. Remember, from these teams na nagpa-participate, or we have a timeout first. We'll be right back. Okay, let's review our timeouts. Both teams, Villa de Bacolor and I Love San Simon has 1 timeout each. Team foul situation, penalty na po ang Bacolor, and San Simon has 3. Here's Angeles, almost lost. Baseline, Salihan, drive, scores! First 2 points for Ace Salihan. And we're gonna have a foul from the backcourt. And will be against Andre Dungo, only his first personal foul. That's a 14th foul for San Simon. As Villa de Bacolor will inbound from the backcourt. And very, very shortly, interviewin natin ang ating best player honors. Oh, yeah. Here he goes, De Leon. Binigay kay Chog Moral. 43 seconds. Villa de Bacolor can sense victory here. Baseline, Moral, reverse, scoring 7 into deep. Ball is loose, Dungo brings it up against De La Cruz. Dungo, 30 seconds. Here's the 3 from the corner. No, Dimla, no. There's a foul. It might be De La Cruz. It is Noel De La Cruz that will be sport. As Dimla, Riley Dimla, after scoring 7 points in the first quarter, ay nanahimik. He hasn't scored since. Short. That takes the cake because this is a 2-possession game with 22.9 seconds. Naubusan na ng oras ang San Simon. And that's the 8 point of Riley Dimla. 20 seconds to go. JP Pangilinan brings up the letter for Villa de Bacolor. 17 ticks, De La Cruz. Andre tight underneath De Leon, trap. And it's gonna be a jump ball. Ball possession will stay for Villa de Bacolor. 10 seconds to go. 5-point game. Well, San Simon can win this game, but they might run out of time. But I applaud for their valiant effort. Talagang naglaro sila ng patas here. Here's Andre De Leon. Dribbles it out for Villa de Baclor, and no choice for Salihan to give up a foul. Now, either of the two, it can be Andre De Leon or it can be Chog Moral. We will choose the best player of the game in between these two players. Sensational performance between these two, Andre De Leon and Chog Moral. Andre now has 24, and Chog Moral already has 27. Second is good. And that should do it. Pero teka muna. Wait. Tatawag pa ng huling timeout ang San Simon. And of course, ang importante dito, for San Simon at least, for the time being, they know now that in order for them to win the next games, first, they need to distribute the points for other people. Kasi si Angeles kanina nung first half, nag-wax out siya sa 3-point, pero nung fourth quarter, hindi na siya naging factor. But the consistency of Andre Dungo, whether this team win or lose, that's commendable. Because he can do everything. He can bring up the ball, he can defend, he can shoot, he can block shots. Andre Dungo is like a little Justin Baltasar. Talagang he can do it all. Pero nawala yung performance ni Dimla. Maganda sana yung kanyang panimula. Second half, wala na. And also si Pascual had a good fourth quarter. Pero yun nga, medyo naubusan sila ng oras. 76-69, 7.7 seconds. At least, they can hold up their head high even in case they lose this game. And that might be it. That takes the cake. Noel de la Cruz with a home run. 2.7 remaining. Angeles will write the last sentence of the neck of this epic ballgame with a 3-point shot. And that is the final score, 78-72 for the win. Villa de Bacolor escapes against this mighty I Love San Simon squad. And our choice for our best player of the ballgame, walang iba kundi si Chog Moral. And of course, ang batang ito, masasabi ko, he is adverse. Kumbaga, lahat ng pressure, lahat ng ibato sa kanya, kayang-kaya niya. And again, the final score, 78-72 Bacolor. At kasama ko ngayon, ang ating best player of the ballgame, walang iba kundi si Chog Moral. And Chog, let's see that final score again. Villa de Bacolor, 78. I Love San Simon, 72. Our best player of the ballgame, walang iba kundi si Chog Moral. And of course, Chog, ang first question ko sa iyo, Chog, nung nagpe-press ang San Simon, lalo na sa fourth quarter, at nung nakikita mo si Dungo talagang umiscore, ano yung strategy mo na hindi lang ikaw kundi si Andre De Leon pumutok din?
Yun lang po, yung nakikita namin po, nagpipress po sila, alam namin magaling po si Andre Dungo. And dinipensa lang po namin. And ginawa lang po namin yung role namin at tinuro ni Coach Rexan. Yun lang po.
Ngayon, Chog, with your 27-point performance, alam kong magiging markman ka na sa mga susunod na games like Angeles, like Aparit. Paano mo ito mapapaghandaan?
Siguro po mas maglalo po ako sa practice, improve ko pa po yung ibang skills na wala pa po ako.
Of course, Chog, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ballgame, narito ang karma, pwede ka na bumatin ng pasalamat.
Una-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa mayor namin na si Mayor Dimandato po, and sa Bacolor po, and sa family ko po na laging nakasuporta na nandyan po, sila papa ko at si lola ko. And shoutout ko rin po kay Lolo Gigo po. And happy birthday po din kay Ins.
And of course, complimented kay Andre De Leon, 26 points. Congratulations, Chog Moral, for best player of the ballgame. And of course, coming up next on this ballgame after this 78-72 win by Bacolor, it's going to be Level Up LUBAO versus MABALACAT City MCG Cares. Stay tuned for more Delta Cup dito lang sa San Fernando City, Pampanga, a production of SLA Sports.